Okay, so to download the app, you scan this QR code, open it up, and there's the app right there. So let's go ahead and download that. Okay, the app is downloaded. Let's turn this on. Open up the app. Searching, found it. Turn blue, connection successful. Okay, so click here. The type of label, it's separate. You can see it's not continuous, so you're gonna hit the one with the gap. It's already checked off for you as well. All right, let me show you this small portable label maker. So it comes with this little handle which you attach, hook it up to your backpack or anything, carry it. It comes with the labels already, the little stickers, and it tells you here, open, or to cut it, you press up. That little blade comes out when it's closed, and it cuts the sticker. So let's put this back, close it. And you need it comes with a Type-C charger to go ahead and charge it also. Hello everyone, it's your favorite veteran. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and have a blessed day. Thanks again.